Hey there. In this updated tutorial, we'll walk you through how to join a community on X using your Android device. Joining communities can expand your network and provide opportunities for meaningful interactions. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device to access its features. Step 2. Tap the community icon located at the bottom of the screen to explore different communities. Step 3. Search for the desired community by typing its name and tap on it to view more details. Step 4. Once you've found the community you want to join, tap on the Join button to request membership. Step 5. Review the community guidelines, then tap Agree and join to become a member of the community. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to join a community on X using your Android device. Start engaging with like-minded individuals and participating in discussions within the community. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.